Just like that.
What's on her feet?
Did she fly?
Hello.
I don't think she can fly.
No.
What's up on her feet? Is it feathers or they?
Yeah, it's like a whole bunch of feathers, just like. And then she got a little puff on the top.
She's styling.
You okay?
I think there's a deformity on her feet.
You think so?
I want to bring it to your mom. Your mom would love her.
Hello, she's a dove.
Mm-hmm. Go away, napkin. Trying to scare the bird.
What's wrong with her?
Are you afraid to touch her?
She'd probably bite me.
They don't bite.
Come here. Come here.
Now she's gonna go under the fence.
Did she escape from somebody's like yard or something?
She is so cute. Why is her hair styling like that? Yeah, she's gonna go under the fence now. She can't fly. I'm gonna get her. You want her?
What are we gonna do with her?
I don't know. Just see if she... No? Should I just leave her alone and not stress her? Oh, she don't fly. Stay like that so she don't go to the street.
Where you going?
Okay, we'll leave you alone. I just want the kids to come and bother her, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yep, go underneath the fence. She goes, ooh, she's a dove.
It's okay. It's okay. Come here, birdie. Come here, birdie. Ooh. Ooh, ooh. Is that bird talk? Or is that owl talk? Ooh, ooh.
Oh, the owl come down and snatch her.
You're beautiful. You ever seen a species like this?
She's from Hollywood.
Hollywood bird.